How to unarchive apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to bring an archived app back after it's been temporarily disabled. First, find the app you previously archived, either on your home screen or in your app drawer. From there, you'll notice its icon looks grayed out with a small cloud and down arrow on it, letting you know it's currently archived. After that, tap on that icon. At this point, a prompt will pop up asking if you want to restore the app. Following this, tap Restore or Install, depending on what's shown. If that's not shown, you can long press on the app. From there, tap the eye icon that appears on the small pop-up, and then find the Restore button below the menu. Give it a moment while it re-downloads the necessary files. Once finished, the app will be fully restored, with your saved data, login, and progress intact just as it was before archiving. That's how you unarchive apps on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!